It's Shout Out Sunday, and I'm announcing my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. It's been a really busy week. There's been collabs and more collabs. I posted 5 videos last week. I did Shout Out Sunday. I did the $5 Goodwill Challenge. I did the Fall Tier Tray Challenge. I did the National Punch Day Challenge and the Plaid Tablescape Challenge. So I was a busy little beaver last week. Hopefully you saw all those videos, but if you did not, please check them out. And also take a look at the playlist associated with each of those videos, because there are just so many great ideas for fall decorating in those playlists. And I must say, my punch recipe was awesome. Okay, so now let's do some shout outs. I've got my notes here just to make sure I don't miss anything. So this first one is purely nepotistic. It goes out to my sister Mickey, and her channel is Live, Laugh, Love, and Pray, all one word. And she just joined us in the YouTube creator community. She loves DIY, and she can really make things. She's not challenged like me. She also likes to jump in on some of the challenges. She likes to do tablescapes. She'll also do some cooking, product and book reviews, and things related to life with mobility issues. So she's just getting started. She's only got a few videos up. So I'd appreciate it if you would drop by and show her some love and let her know that I sent you. Now the next shout out goes to my sister from another Mr., Lori at Creative Lori. And Lori is a home stager. So she's got a good reason to do all these Dollar Tree and thrifting hauls. But the neat thing about her is that she does all these hauls, but then she shows you how to use the things in your own home. So she'll set up different little stages in her home that shows how she's using some of the stuff that she's pulled in. So you can really get some good decorating ideas from looking at her channel. Now the other thing about Lori is that she loves farmhouse. She loves farmhouse, so she's been making that transition the past year. She does beautiful tablescapes, and she has a dad who makes beautiful jewelry, and from time to time she'll do an auction of the jewelry or sell the jewelry on live YouTube. So be sure to check her out. And again, let her know that Denise sent you. Now I'm happy to announce my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Woohoo! Yay me! I was so excited to reach that first milestone. I was watching the numbers inch up. My sister was watching the numbers inch up, and then bam, I was at 1,000. You guys just don't know how excited I was. And I really want to thank you for helping me to reach that first big milestone on YouTube. So to show you my appreciation, I'm holding my first giveaway. So now let me tell you the rules of the giveaway first, and then I'll show you what you might win. First of all, you must be a subscriber and one who has been active on my channel. Active means watching videos and leaving comments. 2, make sure you turn on the little notification bell right next to the subscriber button. 3, leave me a comment letting me know you want to be entered into the giveaway, because everyone that watches the videos or leaves comments don't necessarily want to be in the giveaway. So leave me a comment letting me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. 4, watch my LaundroChat, the Well Woman exam, and then leave me a comment. And the comment for that particular video is you're going to tell me what your takeaway is from that video. So again, number 4 is to watch my LaundroChat, the Well Woman exam, and leave me a comment letting me know what your takeaway is from that video. And make sure that you also indicate that you're completing this task as a part of the giveaway, because there are people that just watch that video just because. So make sure when you go there, you leave a little note that says, this is part of my entry for the giveaway, so that I'll know to make sure you're included in that. And I'd appreciate it if you would let me know what other videos you would like to see me make. That just kind of helps me as I plan next quarter and further future quarter content. I will choose the winners from the comments. And I will make sure that the participants in the entry were subscribed prior to the giveaway. And this is just so I don't get people jumping in just to be in the giveaway. So the people that are eligible for the giveaway are the people that were subscribed prior to today. Okay, let's talk about dates. The giveaway starts today, September 23rd, and it closes on Saturday, October 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. That gives you plenty of time to get in, watch the video, and leave me a comment. And as I said, when you watch that video, leave the comment indicating 1, your takeaway, and 2, that this is part of your completion of the task required for the giveaway. Then I'll go through the entries, and then I'll choose a winner, and I will make the announcement on a Shout Out Sunday. Now let's get to the unboxing. I ordered this Curtis Stone pen, and it just came. So now I will show it to you. Inside, it's a nice little cookbook. They really package their items very well. But in this box is actually 2 pens. 1 for me and 1 for the winner of the giveaway. I was wanting another, well, these are very similar to my 14-inch DuraDiamond multi-purpose pan. But I was wanting something a little smaller, because sometimes when I'm cooking vegetables, I want something that's just a little bit smaller than that 14-inch pan. And then I saw this, and I thought, 2 pans come in this set, and I thought I can keep the little one and give the big one in the giveaway. So when I say it's neatly packaged, it is. So here's a lid, probably for the small pan. Yep. Look at that. Isn't this adorable? I am just so excited to get this. When I made those sugar snap peas the other day and I just sauteed them a little bit, this would have been perfect. So now I've got a pan that's just perfect for when I'm doing small items. And then the winner of the giveaway, and I'll save all this packaging so I can box it back up. Gets this big one. Look at that. You guys have heard me say time and time again how much I love my Curtis Stone pans. So when I saw these, I thought this will be the perfect gift for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is the 12-inch Saltese pan by Curtis Stone. It's got that nice little bottom that doesn't scratch up your cooktop. It's got the lid with the vent. So I am sure that you will love this item as much as I do. So when you when you put your comment below that says you want to be entered in the giveaway, say, I want that Curtis Stone pen. That's a comment I want you to leave. So the first comment that you leave to let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway is, I want that Curtis Stone pen. Then I'll know that you want this one. So there we go. And this one is for me. And then this booklet comes with it, and it's got a few recipes in here that tells you how you can use the pen, and then it also has the cleaning and care instructions as well. So my 1,000 subscriber winner will get this beautiful Curtis Stone Saltese pen, the 12-inch, as well as this little cookbook and care booklet. Now let's talk about the upcoming collabs. Keep in mind that these are just the ones that I know about. Now this challenge remains open for you to jump into, and that's the Pumpkin Spice Challenge hosted by the Sweet Savant. I've got my video done. I've just got to get the editing completed, and it'll go up in the next day or two. So if you've not created a video to jump in on that challenge, do it. It's really easy, it's simple, and it's just fun. And your family will thank you for it. Okay, so here are the other collabs that I have and the dates for those. September 23rd, which is today, is Refresh a Beverage Station Fall 2018. This challenge is hosted by Bumby DIYs, Joan Brody, and Tammy Roberts. And like I said, it drops today, but it's very simple. All they want you to do is refresh a beverage cart. So make it look like fall. So just add some fall decor to your current beverage cart, switch it around a little bit, and then upload your video. So it sounds doable if you want to try to jump in today. September 26th, the Lantern Centerpiece with Funky Bowl, hosted by Arlene's Country Craft Cottage and Sweet Daisy Creations. September 28th, there are 3. The Fall Tablescape and DIY Challenge hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. The Fall Thrift Store Flip with the Holiday Cookie Diva. And the Fall DIY Challenge hosted by Shell's Glam Home. So all 3 of those are on September 28th. Those are all 3 pretty good challenges, so I would encourage you to jump in all 3 if you can. And then on September 30th, the One Box Challenge hosted by Sweet and Simple Home. She does this challenge every season, and it's a way to help you clear out or declutter your home. So that's a good one to jump in on. October 6th is the Recycle and Remix Challenge Fall 2018, hosted by Simply Deborah and Miss Fee Marie. Now this one's kind of cool, and one of the reasons is Simply Deborah just joined the YouTube family. And I'm like, what? This girl's hosting a challenge and she's been here a minute, but she is. She's joining with one of her good friends, Miss Fee Marie, and they are really bringing us a very interesting and should be a fun challenge. And what they want you to do is take an everyday home decor item and zhuzh it up, flip it, and make it a DIY, something for autumn. They want you to turn it into autumn awesomeness. And it must be uploaded by October 6th prior to midnight Eastern Standard Time. So there's another one for you, but now this one is in October, thank goodness. Oh, excuse my snuffling. I just got snuffly all of a sudden. October 13th is the Fall Home Tour collaboration hosted by Davita Lane. And then November 26th, Davita Lane is hosting her Christmas Home Tour collaboration. So she's getting those out early, just so you know. So again, Fall Home Tour, October 13th, and November 26th will be the Christmas Home Tour. So that means we have to start planning ahead. Okay, so this is all I've got. So I will link the... I gotta get a tissue. Oh, gosh. I tell you what, I am feeding for the first frost just to get rid of all of this pollen. Whew. I'm a hot mess right now, but I'm digressing. So this is all I've got. I will link the explanatory videos for each of the challenges in the description box below so that you can go in and check them out yourself. And if you know of an open invitation collab that's coming up in the next couple of days, let me know. And like I said, I'll try to add it to the list in the description box below. But if it doesn't make that list, just let me know and I can add it to future lists on Shout Out Sunday. So just kind of start the habit up when you hear about a challenge, letting me know, and then I'll kind of keep it on my ongoing list. This is the thing. I only know about the ones I know about. How do I find them? I will search using the term open invite or collab. And if it doesn't show up in the search, then I can't find it. So then other people sometimes will send me a note and say, hey, so-and-so's got a collab coming up, and then I'll add it to the list. So you can help me out by letting me know about collabs and invites that you hear about or that you plan. So that's it. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in another video. Not a pretty picture. Yeah, I took the meds earlier, but looks like they're failing right now.